kids, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 6, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Yearbooks can only be purchased at our main office now until May 20th. They should arrive at the end of May. National Nurses Week is May 9th through May 13th. Please help us show Nurse Bobby and Nurse Kim lots of love and appreciation this week. We are having an open house on Saturday, May 14th for families new to PBMA. The open house will be held at 10 a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 a.m. at the secondary campus. Please inform any friends or family that might be interested in sending their children to our school next school year. Thursday, May 19th, please wear a green shirt in honor of Mental Health Awareness Month. May 20th at 6:00 p.m. at Santa Lucia's High School is high school graduation. May 23rd at 8:15 is 5th grade moving up for Miss Spiegel, Miss Lubin, and Mr. Ward's classes. May 24th at 8:15 is 5th grade moving up for Mr. Thornton and Miss Colavito's classes. May 25th is our kindergarten moving up ceremony. 8:15 for Miss Kennedy, Miss Crane, and Miss Jordan's classes. 9:30 is Miss Owens, McKnight, and Miss Motley's classes. May 26th at 6:00 p.m. is middle school moving up ceremony at Santa Lucia's High School. And May 26th is also the very last day of school. Save the date for Form Fill-Out Day, July 27th, 8:30 to 1 on the elementary campus, July 28th, 8:30 to 1 for secondary campus. Please come up to school to sign up for bus routes, shuttle, aftercare, free and reduced lunch, order uniforms, and fill out other important school paperwork. Kona Ice will be there from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m. each day. August 9th is Meet the Teacher at both campuses, and the first day of school next year will be August 10th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the principal. We have been very busy here at the elementary campus. Our 4th and 5th graders completed their reading FSA this week. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders will be taking their math FSA. So please come to school on time, well rested, and ready to learn. The week after that, our 5th graders will be taking their science SSA. So lots of testing going on as we wrap up this school year. Our students have been working very hard. We're excited to see all their academic growth once the scores come out this summer. This week, we also celebrated Teacher Appreciation Week. We had a great time celebrating our teachers, and we really appreciate all that they do for our students and PBMA itself. The month of May is Mental Health Awareness Month, so keep an eye out from emails from Mrs. Cooper and Ms. Dvorak on how we're celebrating that. Today, we all wore our green ribbons in recognition. So I'm excited to finish the year off strong. Thank you.
Last week was Teacher Appreciation Day. Thank you to all the families and to the town of Lantana for making this week so special for our teachers. Here's Ms. Robinson with some summer camp information.
Hello, my name is Ms. Robinson. I am the Summer Camp and Aftercare Director. This is a reminder to please register your students for our Summer Camp program. Reminder, our registration fee is $50 per family. It's $175 a week. If you have more than one child, you will receive a 15% discount. This $175 a week includes our field trips, breakfast, lunch, and snacks. Registration ends May 27th. Please don't be late. Visit us at our front office for your applications today.
Ms. Trish taught our first grade students about their 5 senses through some fun activities. The students used their 25 million nose sensors to sniff out some cinnamon. Students learned their eyes are like cameras with pupils that get bigger and smaller with light. And they spent some hands-on time with Zia, a sunfire bearded dragon. Students also learned how animals use optical illusions to stay safe while they trick our senses. Lots of fun was had by all. Let's see what's happening in secondary art.
Hi, this is Mrs. Higgins, the art teacher at the secondary school. Just wanted to let you guys know what the kids have been up to. Right here are Zentangles that the sixth graders have been creating. They've been practicing and making all of these different patterns. So you can see they have their hands and they Zentangled in the hands in different sections and all around it. Over here, though, is the seventh graders. They have learned about mandalas, and so they've incorporated some of the Zentangle patterns into their mandalas. And let's head over to where the high school Zentangles are. Over here are some examples of the high school work. They had several different options in creating their Zentangle. So you can see some more intricate work and also some fun expressions. Thanks.
We are very proud of our secondary Sharks of the Month. Finally, here are the elementary Sharks of the Month celebrating popcorn with the principal. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.